In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving linear inequalities from JAMB Maths. These are repeated questions under linear inequalities. Very, very interesting topic in mathematics. So let's get started. We have this minus this is less than 2. So guys, let's write down the question. Okay, so the question is we have in bracket 2x plus 4 over 4 minus in bracket 5x minus 8 over 6 is less than 2. Now note that in inequalities, the less than or greater than sign indicates an equality sign. Okay, so basically to solve this, let's bring down 1 here. Okay, this is something as over 1. Let's find the LCM. This is the procedure I follow to solve problems under this kind of situation to get the right output. So the LCM will be 12. 4 into 12 give you 3. So 3 multiply everything here minus 6 into 12, that's 2. So multiply everything here. Okay, it's less than 1 into 12, 12. So 12 times 2, 24. So this 12 has been serving these people. So let's simplify what we have at the numerator. We have 3 times 2x, that's 6x, plus 3 times 4, 12, minus 2 times 5x, that's 10x, minus 2 times minus 8, that's plus 16. Then it's less than 24. So you can see now, you can correct like that. You're going to have 6x minus 10x is less than 24. This 12 will cross over and you change to negative 12 minus 12. This 16 cross over, change to negative 16. When we break this down, we're going to have minus 4x is less than, now 24 minus 12 will give you 12. Alright, so 12 minus 16 will give you negative 4. So divide both sides by minus 4 here. So our x will be, you cancel this, negative divided negative, you're going to have a positive value. Now note that whenever you are dividing both sides by a negative value in inequality, the inequality sign will change. Like here now, this less than sign will change to greater than sign because we divided by a negative value. The correct answer will be x is greater than what? 1. So which is what option B. It's as simple as this. So let's wipe this now and solve the next question. Okay. So guys, for the next question we have this. Okay, still the same pattern. So we have x plus 4 over 3 minus x minus 3 over 2 is less than 4. Do it 4 over 1. Find the LCM. Okay, so this is in brackets. We have the LCM would be 6. 3 times 2, 6. So 3 into 6 will give you 2. So 2 multiply everything here. X plus 4 minus 2 into 6, that's 3. X minus 3 is less than 1 to 6. 6 times 4 give me 24. So this 6 has finished serving these people. Let's simplify the numerator. We're going to have 2 times x, 2x plus 8 minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 3 plus 9 less than 24. The correct like term is going to be 2x minus 3x is less than 24. This equals over 22 minus 8. And now equals over 22 minus 9. So we are left with 2x minus 3x will give us minus x is less than 24 minus 8 will give you 16. Okay, so 16 minus 9 will give you 7. Divide both sides by the coefficient of minus x is minus 1. Alright, so our x will be 7 divided by minus 1 give you minus 7. Remember, we divided by a negative number, so the sign convention change to greater than. So the correct option this question is what? Option B as well. So x is greater than what? Minus 7. Okay, so it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this now and solve the next question. So guys, for the next question, we have this. Okay, so let's simplify this, guys. Let's write down the question. We have something as this one times this x here is something as x over 3, okay, plus 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 2 is something as this x times the 1 and the numerator is something as x over 2, okay, plus 1 over 3. So you find the LCM. So the LCM of everything here will basically give us 12. Okay, so 3 into 12, we're going to have 4. 4 times x, we have 4x plus 4 into 12, we have 3. 3 times 1, 3 is greater than 2 into 12, 6. 6 times x, we have 6x. Then 3 into 12 is 4. 4 times 1, we have plus maybe 4. So these are smooth surface peoples. We are going to collect like terms, which will be 4x. This 6x equals to by 2 negative 6x minus 6x is greater than 4. This 3 equals to change to negative 3. So we are left with 4x minus 6x will give us minus 2x. Okay, is greater than 4 minus 3 will give us 1. Divide both sides by minus 2. You cancel this. So our x will be, because we divided by a negative value, this greater than sign change to less than. So x will be less than minus 1 over 2, which is what option D. X is less than minus 1 over 2. So that's it for this question. Let's wipe this now and solve the next question. So guys, for the next question, this is the next question we are going to solve. The next repeated question for JAMB Maths under linear inequality. So we have this, we are asked to evaluate this is very, very simple. This is 3x plus 2 is greater than 6 in bracket x plus 3. Let's simplify. It's going to give us 3x plus 3 times 2 is greater than 6x plus 18. Collect like terms. Give you 3x minus 6x. This will cross over greater than 18. This will cross over minus 6. So this is minus 3x is greater than 18 minus 6 will give you 12. Divide both sides by minus 3. Okay, because divided by a negative value, the sign will change to less than. So our x will be less than 12 divided by negative 3 give you minus 4. The correct option is what? Option B. That's it for this question. Let's wipe it and solve the next question. Very, very interesting, guys. So guys, for the next question, it will be this question. So guys, this is the last question I'm going to experiment with. So let's write this down. We have b over 4 minus 3b over 7 is greater than or equal to 4 minus b over 2. So bring down 1 here. Find the LCM. The LCM of what we have here is going to give us 28. Okay, so 4 into 28 will give us 7. 7 times b, we have 7b. Okay, then we have minus 7 to 28 will give us 4. 4 times 3b will give us 12b is greater than or equal to 1 into 28 to give you 28. So 28 times 4, you can always punch it with your JAMB calculator. We have 28 times 4. So we have it to be what? 112. Okay, 112. Now minus 28 will give you 14. So 14 times b, we have 14b. So at this juncture, these are surface people. We are left with 7b minus 12b. 112 minus 14b. So we collect like term. This will give us 7b minus 12b. This will cross over minus 14b cross over and change it plus 14. This plus 14b is greater than or equals to 112. So you do the maths. So we're going to have 7 minus 12 plus 14. So that will be what? 9. All right. So we have 9b equals 112. Divide both sides by 9. Remember, this is greater than equals, divide both sides by 9. So this is greater than sign, guys. So this you can see say that b will be greater than equals what? 112 over 9. That will be the answer. You will not change the sign convention. It will not be less than equals to 112 over 9 because it will not divide by a negative value. So when you divide by a negative value, change the inequality sign. When you don't divide by a negative value, don't change the inequality sign. All right, so that's it for this video. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call the video, guys. If you're new to our channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question as regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the screen group and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.